Registering for My Canada Life at Work takes just a few minutes. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com and click Register. Then, select Savings to manage your savings plans. Enter your plan or policy and certificate numbers you received from your plan administrator. Then, choose Next. Now, enter your first and last name as they appear in your statement. Next, you'll add your personal email address and a password you'll always use to sign in. View the privacy notice. Now it's time to get you set up with multi-factor authentication. Sign in with the credentials you just provided. To verify your email address, we'll email you a 6-digit code for you to enter. Then, we'll secure your account. Provide the phone number you'd like to use for multi-factor authentication. We'll verify your identity one last time to complete your multi-factor authentication setup. Now it's time to complete your registration. Enter a few more personal details, then click Continue. That's it! Now you're ready to use My Canada Life at Work for your savings plans. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com to get started.